They say AI will replace us, take our jobs, and our worth. Like a dragon breathing fire into the future. But dragons can be trained. AI doesn't act alone, it waits for our command. In this fast-paced life, it's our extra set of hands. It speeds up the work, it doesn't steal it. We fear its intelligence, but forget, we built it. It knows only what we teach it. The real skill today? Not fearing AI, but learning to use it well. Need a sparring partner at midnight? A guide when no one's around? AI can be your teammate. For a child, it's not a threat, it's a learning friend. This is the era of co-creation, not competition. Today, a doctor can save lives from across the world. That's not a dream, it's real. That's AI. So why fight it? Let's walk with it. Shape it. Use it. Grow with it. AI sharpens our tools. But only we guide the purpose. Let's build a future worth passing on.